Salesforce CRM dropped $46 off of the high. Let's take a look at the $270 puts on how to trade earnings season. These were $775 on the low. They're going to go up tomorrow $20, maybe even higher. So we bought the 270 puts to hedge our long position. You can see the big drop right through the 200-day moving average. It's got support at around 221. We're going to play the bounce off of the bottom. We have the 270 put options on the earnings season. That just came. They missed their guidance. They didn't talk enough about the AI projects. Once again, how to rip it off of the low. $270 puts are going to pay big. Salesforce was fully priced at the time of this report. Sign up for the free 5-day trial. Don't wait. Make big money with this during earnings. Earnings play CRM.